Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Department of Geography, KRT BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student, first of all, welcome our in the class. Our subject is GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Now, in this subject, topic number 1, Introduction of Population and Settlement Geography. Now, last lecture will be discussed for nature and scope and definition of population geography. Now, last lecture will be scope of population geography. Will be discussed very um, explain the very well. Now, this topic will be following the points will be help to elaborate the scope of field of population geography, means distribution of population and their characteristics in different countries, subcontinent, countries, state, nature, and distribution of change and futures. The density of population in various types, physical, cultural factor, structure of population, density in different part of worlds, migration and international migration, factors affecting migration, types of migration, causes and consequences of migration, laws of migration, impacts of geographical factors of migration and vice versa, growth of population, composition of population, literacy, urbanizations, then the to study the relationship between the population and natural resources at the level of technological development, development of natural resources, relationship between development, growth of population, pressure of population on resources, the study of overpopulation and underpopulation and optimum population, the balance between the population resources and the level of technological development in various parts of the world to formulate policy to achieve the balance between geographical setting, resources, technological development and population. Now, today's lecture will be discussed for development of population geography as a discipline. Means what is the stages of development of population geography, how to develop population geography in the world as well as in India as well as in all the world will be is a separate discipline of the population geography. How to develop is very important topic will be discussed. Now today will be discussed one by one point the development of population geography. Population geography is a sub-discipline of human geography and studies the distribution, concentration and density of population over the terrestrial surface as well as the difference in population size, changes and characteristics like structure, migration, activities. Among all places present compared to other, population geography has had a pre-scientific stage as long of human history. First modern scientific treaty of population geography by the Frederick Ratzel is Anthropogeography Anthropogeography in 1882. During the first half of the 20th century, French geographer Vidal de Blas gave the capital of importance of population studies in the work, principal in geography humani. In the interwar years, various aspects of population were studied. After the Second World War, started a renovating movement of the geography to new techniques appear in human geography and consequently in population geography. Attempt were made to define of population geography as a separate sub-discipline. The worldwide trends of treating a population geography as a separate discipline was expressed by the publishing monographs, bibliographs and textbooks. The most significant author who worked on defining population geography were the French geographers George in 1951, 1959, Berger Garnier is 1965, 1966, North American geographer G.T. Trivarta in 1953, then 1969, W. Bugge 1962, then Jake Lance in 1965, 1971, Zelensky in 1966, the Great Britain, some J. Clark is 1965, then some other Russian geographers, then some other Poland geographer Oromitsky 1931, in Kolonowski in 1961, then Jagorsky in 1980. Those authors with their work had the significant influence of the development of population science in the world of also in some countries. Although the development of population are was different in different countries and scientific research centers, we can also clearly define the four stages. First stage last until in 1960 was characterized by work of G.T. Trivarta. Means This is the Dorrance on some Russian geographers, Biraju Garnier, J.T. Trivartas. Ergo, that the population is the point out the reference from which is all elements are observed, and from all which all the device all derive significance and meaning. This view was adopted and shared by the author dealing with the population atoms, explanatory of implicity. Second stage or last in from 1960 till to 1970s, and the most significant author dealing with the some population problem where W.N. Zelensky, W. Bunge, H. Bovke, then Hartke and Rupert, then Chopper. These are the some pages those characterized by the applications of quantitative methods and effort for understanding the spatial structure of the population. Many scientists see the development phase as a particularly prosperous period because it carried more extensive relation of population and demography. Though the introduction of statistical, mathematical, demographic methods and techniques in studies in population geography. Third page, last in 1970 to 1980 is the third page, was characterized by the close relationship between the population geography and formal demography. Development of applications of GIS, computer data have made the population studies more complex, applicable in practice, though the population policy, population projection, the most significant author in the period in Jologowski and Zelensky, here at last, fourth stage of 1980s is the many countries last until the present days in the population geography appear the new tendencies associated with the critic positivism, the establishment of humanistic approach and the modification of general geography concept in this period. Spatial analysis and quantitative scientific method were refined, and because of that some population studies were redefined of spatial demography, a time dimension, advocate of in historical demography. In the context, we emphasize work is Deponge and regression. Population geography is viewed differently from one country to another. It is a definition of different from too narrow, overly broad, but to research area with particular interest of geographer, population distribution and migration. Both items are acquired to international dimension. Recently, eminent population geographer exchange the various viewpoints and attempt to probe to new thinking on subject, define the answer of new fields research in population geography. Population geography in the 2021 century is no longer to field comprise of special application on fertility, mortality and migration only. Contemporary population geography is the theoretically sophisticated, integrated spatial analysis, GIS and georeference data. Future progress in the field of population geography will derive from the more research at the interaction of population process and social issue concerned with the major themes of population. Empirical research in population geography should be global population growth, studies of migration, transnationalism, human security issue, population health environment, access, human environment, sustainability, economic development and poverty issues. These are the some concepts of development of population geography as a different discipline. Go to the one by one point. Student, first of all, the development of population geography, very important thing. Though the population geography is emerged as the independent discipline, was recently various aspects related to population studies with the long discussion regarding how to enumerate economic and agriculture aspect of the population is found the book written by the Kautilya in 321 to 269 in before the history of economics. Now, reference of population in industries is also found in Alain Akbari written by the during regime empire. Akbar references of population we are also found in the writing Aristotle and Plato's. The scientific study of population began from the 17th century onward. John Gray in 1620 to 1674 is considered father of demography. Now, these are the more important things here will be discussed is arrive the certain conclusion related to population using the birth rate, death rate. Record is maintained by church in the around the London. Means, for example, the birth and death rate certificates in London are in the ratio of the 1120. Death rate among the male are higher than most among females. Means every year 6,000 people come to the London from rural areas. Now grant work is continuous the John Kings and William Pritte. The term average expectancy of life is first used by Edmund Halley. Edmund Halley is the first use for the life expectancy of lives. This is a term used by Edmund Halley. Now, mortality tables were prepared by the Soso Milche, in German scientist, in his book written during the 17th century. Now, to student, Daniel Bernoulli as a mountain contributed towards the study of demography during the 18th century as well as 19th century. Means Bernoulli arrived to the certain conclusion by the analyzing the data related to the inoculation of smallpox. Now, Montaigne discusses as cause of population growth in France. Means study of demography was further help to the theories put forward by the Malthus and Marx. Malthus is 1762 to 1834 will be is the defined and development of some demographic study. By studying the rapidly growing population of the world, Malthus state that since the population is increasing is the faster rate than food supply and world will face of the problem of overpopulations. Means as against this, Marx argued that the particular setup of the society create the problem of overpopulations. Now, next point here, during the 17th and 19th century, due to improvement of medical science, death rate is declining rapidly. Very important word here means improvement of medical facility, health facility, then death rate is very decline rapidly in the 19th century due to improvement of medical and health sciences. Now led at an increase of life expectancy of life, and then very important word here lead to as an increase in expectancy of life. Means old age pension scheme are introduced in many places. Very important word. Then all the results and his studies related to mortality. Means all the things means medical science will be a medical science and very developed, then started declining rapidly rate, exponential life will be increased, then old pension scheme are introduced at many places, as all these resulted in study related to mortality. Means studies related to fertility began at the end of 19th century. The seven analysis of the data related fertility provided by the 1911 census in England. Now they try to estimate world population in 1859. Scope of demography widened and substantially during the 20th century. Now next go to the systematic study of the factor affecting change of population where the undertaken. Systematic study of the factor affecting changes in population were undertaken. Means the attempts were made to study relationship between fertility and mortality on the one hand and sex composition of the population and others. Means growth of population and problem related to its were presented by Carl Sudares in his book Population Problem, a study in evolutions. The United States of a nation plays a major role in the development of these disciplines all over the world by particularly encouraging studies related to population in developing countries. Now, United Nations published several books and booklets related to the population problems. Means it is also provide the financial assistance to encouragement toward the development of the disciplines. Now, next go to these population geography remain neglected to some quite sometimes. Why? First one, in the early stage, it is not considered to independent branch of geography. In first one is in the early stage, it is not considered as the independent branch of geography. Now, this aspect of geography was neglected. Now, even Hodgson and Dixon in this book, Making of Geography, while explaining up to development of human geography, has not even mentioned the population geography as the independent of such a branch. But earlier, Hetner will known geographer wrote the population influenced the geographical factor in the vicinity. Means he, however, he did not beyond this and did not make the serious effort towards giving the population geography the structure of independence branch. Now Huntington and Shaw is their books Principle of Human Geography have not made anywhere direct reference to population geography. Means in short, population geography renamed neglected until the Second World War. Now why to neglection? You see the following were the reasons for the such neglection. First one, the census were not conducted in many countries till the Second World War. Population figure for all parts of the world, therefore, were are not available. This is first one, first reason is neglection. Now the during the period, geography gave the stress of regional differentiation only. Now, while the study of the regional differentiation, population was not considered as important factors. In the earlier period, geography confined itself only regional geography. It provides the information of various regions and distribution of geographical factor, relationship between geographical background, geographical personality and factors on one hand and man of the other hand. It was not studied. Means many underdeveloped countries become independent after the Second World War. Population become is under in increased aspirations of the people for the development in many countries. Studies related to population in relation to geographical background and natural resources were undertaken into the many countries. Now, in 1953, G.T. Trivarta gave population geography as a status on 2nd April 1953. Trivarta is the presidential address in American geographers emphasize the importance of population geography. Means this leads to the emergence of population geography as the independent disciplines. Means G.T. Trivarta was the first geographer is frame curriculum and to include the population geography as the subject at undergraduate levels. After the teaching of population geography spread the many American and other universities of the world. This effort was further substantially helped to the class because these efforts population geography today as independent disciplines as status of the independent of social science. Means this discipline was enriched by several geographers such as Gurju Garnier is 1936, George Demko is 1970, Aldous Rose 1970, Peters and Larkin in 1979, whose wrote book through the light of several aspects of population geography. Means place of population geography is an important word. Now, the distribution and nature of physical and culture factor over the surface of the earth form is the core of geography. On the surface of the earth, man being is the most important factor. The studies related to the distribution of people and their characteristics have become very important. Recently, in human geography, various aspects of environment are studied the relation of man. Naturally, while studying the environments of various regions, it is necessary to take place the characteristics and number into the consideration. In modern times, not only the nature and distribution of physical and culture factor are studied, but why in the particular regions, particular types of physical and cultural environment prevail in given trace on. This means the trace is given by cause-effect relationship. Now, place of population studies means, for example, coniferous forest is found in either about 2000 meter or cold regions. The rate of soil erosion is high in mountain slope. Proportion of black color people is high in tropical regions. Cause-effect relationship, the incidence of studies, for example, black and white stands is intense heat of tropical region better than white. All these examples clearly show that while studying the man-environmental relationship, it is necessary to know the characteristics of human group. This helps to understand human adaptation to their environment. Study of population is therefore is vital in geography. Means geographical factors also play as an important role is molding to characteristics of human groups. For example, British people have become seafarers because in Iceland location of the country. Means physical environment is modified by man to produce new cultural environment. While the study the evolution of various cultural landscape in the world, if we know the peoples, the number and characteristics, the process of evolution of cultural landscape become the clearer. Similarly, while studying the difference in cultural landscape in the different part of the world, it is essential to know the attitudes, efficiency, and characteristics of the people in those regions. Today, student will be discuss population as a discipline, the development of population as a discipline. Today we discuss one by one point. Now today, student, any doubt, any query to ask me, yeah, write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ec.in. Now student, the next lecture will be discussed for different approaches of population geography. Will be next lecture. Up to bye bye. Good day.